Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we would have to solve this quadratic equation using the formula. And the first thing I notice about this equation is that they did not put x squared term in front. So the very first step that I notice is that the x squared term is there. It's on the second term. So the very first step I will have to do is to make sure that I don't make careless mistake. Negative 5x squared, positive x, negative 2 equals to 0. And this will allow me to be able to identify the correct value for my a, which is the coefficient of x squared, b, which is the coefficient of x. In this case, it will be 1. And the coefficient of, and the constant c, which is negative 2 in this case. And so, I'm able to now substitute the correct values into the formula. So x will be equals to negative, b will be positive 1, plus minus the square root of b square, in this case is 1 square, minus 4, the a is negative 5, and the c is negative 2. And to a is negative 5. And I'm going to continue to simplify. Negative 1 plus minus the square root of, and the square root will be negative 39 over negative 10. And at this point, this is a special case, because this will give me no solution, because this will have a no solution. We could not square root a negative number. So for this particular question, the answer is, the answer is no solution. This happens when we see a square root of a negative number. There is no possible answer. We have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you and have a nice day.